Lendgo really cuts through the noise of getting a mortgage or refinancing a home. The moment a user lands on their site, the whole pitch is simple. Tell them about your loan needs, whether it's buying a first home, refinancing an existing mortgage, accessing a VA loan, or even exploring a HELOC, and they put their technology to work matching borrowers with competitive lenders. It takes just a few quick questions, and suddenly there are a bunch of potential offers to look at, with lenders actively vying for the customer's business. Seeing lenders compete out in the open gives buyers some solid bargaining power, and that's a huge relief in a process that's often confusing, stressful, and filled with uncertainty. What's appealing is how Lendgo's platform is designed for transparency and ease. There's no charge for using their service, and there's no obligation to take any of the offers. So exploring rates and options feels risk-free. The biggest pain point in the mortgage process is usually the fear of dinging a hard-earned credit score, but Lendgo addresses this by making sure inquiries don't affect one's rating, a standout feature for those hesitant to start shopping. For anyone nervous about sharing personal information online, the assurance that user data is kept secure every step of the way is another layer of comfort. Users are matched to offers in minutes rather than days, and from there, it's all about choice. There's no pressure. Lenders reach out, but it's up to the user to decide who to engage with. The process is about empowerment, letting consumers call the shots instead of being at the mercy of bank policies or confusing jargon. For people who have questions or feel lost in the traditional process, Lendgo makes things much simpler by showing several offers side by side in a matter of minutes, effectively helping users make better, more informed decisions. Still, it's important to keep in mind what Lendgo isn't. It's a marketplace, not a lender. This means the user's ultimate experience will also depend on the lenders in the network. Rates, fees, and approval timelines will vary, and it's still crucial to read the fine print on each offer before making a commitment. While the process is much easier than bouncing from lender to lender directly, borrowers should remember that not every lender in the market may be included in Lendgo's network. There's also the reality that while the initial inquiry doesn't hurt credit, taking out a new loan will show up as a hard inquiry down the line, something to be aware of before moving forward. In summary, Lendgo serves as a powerful bridge between borrowers and lenders, taking much of the hassle, uncertainty, and complexity out of finding a mortgage or refinancing option. The platform is safe, free, and user-driven, giving buyers more control and easier access to the best possible rates. But while it makes shopping around far more approachable, users still need to review each option carefully and be aware of the normal risks that come with choosing a mortgage, like fluctuating interest rates, lender fees, and the impact of new credit accounts. Done right, Lendgo can be an excellent ally in the search for home loan savings.